Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Jose's DIY here. So today I'm going to show you how to replace your ignition coils on your 4G Eclipse. And the reason I'm doing this is because my car has been throwing code PO300, which is a random misfire, which usually that means multiple cylinders are misfiring. And so what I did was I did the spark test, and I seen that 3 of mine had an orange or yellow spark, and only one of them had a blue spark. And the one that had the blue spark is the one that I had replaced the ignition coil, because initially it was just misfiring on that cylinder. So I purchased one ignition coil for that, and that's the one that has the blue flame. But the first step you're gonna do is disconnect your battery, and that's gonna be disconnect your ground. That's gonna be a 14mm bolt. All right guys, the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna loosen this bolt, this one, that one, and that one if you have it. I'm missing 2 of them. And you're gonna loosen this clamp here. You can use a 10mm socket, or you can use a Phillips screwdriver. I'm gonna use my socket with ratchet. All right, so after you loosen all the bolts I told you, you're gonna pull this out of the intake. And now we're gonna unclip these right here, okay? You can use a flathead screwdriver if you got one, or if not, just use your thumb. You should be able to pull them off. And as I told you, one of them is new and the other ones are the originals. These are the ones I'm going to be replacing, the other 3. All right, so let's disconnect this, and then it's going to be a 10mm bolt holding each of these to the engine block. And the easiest way I found to do this is to take off the bolt first. That way you can you know, maneuver it, twist it like that. That way you can get a better angle to push this clip according to the comfort for you. All right guys, I got the electricity disconnected. So now I'm gonna show you the new ones I got. Here's my new ones. Of course, they look exactly the same as that one, and they come in this very neat packaging from Rock Auto. They come in this right here, bubble wrap. Here's the ignition coil here. All right, and it doesn't matter what order they go, it's all the same thing. So now you just pull them out and start replacing them. First, take a look, make sure there's not a lot of oil in there, and for me, we're good. One more thing I forgot to mention. This is one easy way to find out if your ignition coils need to go, or at least if this part needs to go. See, it's all leaky with oil, it's wet. I mean, that's not gonna work with electrical component. And if I pull out this one, you're gonna see it's dry. I tried it like 2 weeks, 3 weeks after I had switched it, and it was dry. So I knew then it was the ignition coil that was bad. And just to confirm with you guys, this is the one I had already in here. Look, see that? Nice and dry. And then just, you know, I think you know what to do from here. Just start replacing them, the ones that you're gonna replace. And after that, you're gonna bolt it up 10mm. And then you're gonna put the electrical connection back on. Make sure they click when you put them on. Put your little air intake back on, and then connect your battery back up, and you should be good to go, ready to roll. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And the parts will be in the description. Thank you.